Great job completing the course. Let's recap what you learned. In the first chapter, you discovered Git's benefits and applications for version control, learned to navigate the terminal, created your first Git project, and used Git to start tracking your files. In the second chapter, you saw the three components of how Git stores data: the commit, the tree, and the blob. You were able to view a repo's history by using and customizing the git log command. This enabled you to identify specific commit hashes and use the git show command to see what changed in that commit. You progressed to comparing the state of files between different commits and the staging area using commit hashes and head syntax. You ended by taking things up a notch, reverting and restoring files to previous states, which is essential in case mistakes are made. Git has lots more to offer. You can discover how branches enable continuous development, where multiple versions of files can coexist. You can learn about remote repos, which are crucial for collaboration with colleagues, and dive into advanced techniques such as rebasing, bisecting, and